Welcome dear students. I am Dr. Divakar Mehta, Assistant Professor from Carmel College of Arts, Science and Commerce for Women. The program we are learning today is Bachelor of Science, subject Botany of Semester 2, course code BOC 102 and course title Biodiversity 2, which deals with vascular plants. Title of the unit you are learning is Identification and the module name is Documentation Flora. A broad outline of the program is, first we will have a short introduction, then what is flora, types of flora and content of flora. At the end of this module, you will be able to recall the terms floras and also related some other terms. You will be able to list the types of floras. Also you will be able to describe different types of floras. First we will have a short introduction. What is documentation of flora? That is, you have to document them. So documentation of floristic composition of a region is very important. There will be various types of documentation like floras, monographs, manuals like that, and all these documentation usually incorporate description, illustration and identification keys. Such documents are very useful for proper identification of unknown plants, also helpful to know the floristic diversity of a region, what are the different plant resources are available in a region. And also it will be very useful in conservation and management of rare and economically important plants of the region. Now we will see what is flora. A flora is an inventory of the plants of a defined geographical area. So you may take, it may be a state, whatever. So depending upon the geographical area, you are going to document all the plants, and such a document is called flora. It may be fairly exhaustive or simply synoptic. A exhaustive flora will have detailed description of the plants, its distributional pattern, maybe common names, and also maybe certain important notes also will be there. Whereas synoptic flora will have very detailed or very exhaustive key, but there will be very short description about the plants. And best example for synoptic flora is synoptic flora of Mysore district. So this is one of the best example, I feel, an example for synoptic flora, because in this flora you will find the identification key will run into several pages. It is almost 300 pages of identification key, whereas the description is very few pages comparatively. Compared to the other flora, it will have just 200 pages of description. So depending upon the scope and area covered, the floras can be divided into 4 types. One is local flora, regional flora, continental flora and comprehensive treatments. These are the 4 different types. First we will see local flora. Local flora covers a limited geographical area. It may be a country, it may be state, district, taluka, city, or maybe a sanctuary or even a national park. Some of the examples for these local flora. Best example is flora of Goa, Diu, Daman, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Then there are some others. For example, flora of Mollem National Park. This is again another best example for local flora. Same way grasses of Maharashtra, a state level flora. Then flora of Udupi. This is a taluka level flora. So these are some of the examples for local flora. See here, these are some of the images of the front cover of local flora. First one is flora of Goa, Diu, Daman, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Second one is flora of Maharashtra state. Here grasses of Maharashtra, as well as you will find flora of Udupi. Now come to regional flora. Regional floras include a larger geographical area. usually a larger country or a botanical region. Some of the examples for this type of flora: Flora of British India. It is published by J.D. Hooker, which will have 7 volumes, a very exhaustive work which includes India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh. All these countries are included in this. Same way you will find Flora of Bombay Presidency by Cook. It includes 3 volumes. See, during British time, India was divided into 3 presidencies: Bombay Presidency, Madras Presidency and Bengal Presidency. So this Flora of Bombay Presidency includes parts of Gujarat, Karnataka as well as parts of Maharashtra. Then Flora Malaysiana, it includes 3 countries: Indonesia, Malaysia and Singapore. Whereas flora, if a flora covers a country, that is considered as national flora. Best example for national flora is Botanical Survey of India. It has published several volumes of the flora or floristic composition of India. Now come to continental flora. Continental flora covers the entire continent. Here we have 2 examples. Flora Europaea. It includes 5 volumes and published by Oxford University Press. What they have done is they have compiled all different floras of the different countries in Europe, and they have made into a encyclopedia-like book that is of 5 volumes, which will have very important or very valuable information about the plants of Europe. Same way Flora Australiensis. It includes 7 volumes, which is compiled by or written by George Bentham, then Hooker as well as Muller. 3 of them have contributed to this flora, and even today this is one of the most valuable, more authentic flora of the continent. Last one is comprehensive treatments. These kind of documentation will have a much broader scope. Although no world flora has ever been written, several important works have been attempted at a worldwide. Some best example for this is Genera Plantarum by Bentham and Hooker. Though there is no written book with respect to all flora of world, there is a major effort more recently have been made, that is World Flora Online. Several countries have got together to compile all the floristic composition of the world, and they have tried to put them in online mode. So you will find in this link, if you want to refer this, you can go through this web link and you can see the different floristic composition of the world. Now come to content of a flora. Most of the floras contain scientific name and description of different plants which are coming under that particular region. Often they include family, genera, species, etc. May also include common names, literature references, habitats, geographical distribution of plants, flowering times, as well as illustrations and some important notes. Introductory part will have study area, climatic condition of the region, especially rainfall, which will play very important role in the floristic distribution, geology, rock and soil types of the region, and also vegetation type, particularly the different types of forest types. At the end of these floras, you will find there will be a exhaustive, very important. At the end, we will find the index where we will get all the information, that is family, genus, species, in which pages they are mentioned. That information you will get at the end. Most of the earlier floras followed Bentham and Hooker system of classification. But nowadays, the floras are trying to follow APG system of classification, that is Advanced Phylogeny Group. So in this module, we have tried to learn about documentation of flora, what is flora, different types of flora, as well as we have tried to understand what is the usual content of these floras. These are the references. Some more references here. These are some web links which will have very informative substance in this, that is, you will find in this link very valuable. Please try to visit at least once. Thank you.